we are finessing the mess again. I let my hair get wet, so that's why it just looks crazy. But to the curly hair girlies that could just wet their hair and their hair reverts back to curls, I envy you. Just know I envy you. I wish my hair did that. But when my hair gets wet, it poofs right up. I'm lucky to still have the curls at the end of my hair that I have. So my only thing I can do with my hair right now is put it into a high puff. Doing something cute. I'm trying to make a part here. Do something different with my puff rather than it just being a puff. This doesn't have to be perfect. I just need a piece of my hair. Maybe that's the furthest I'll go. Does that look good? I think that's good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Is that far enough over? I don't like that. All right. So actually I'm gonna do this part last and I'm gonna put the rest of my hair up. My part is crooked. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be. You're not gonna really notice it or see it. All right, so for the rest of my hair, it's gonna go up in the puff. When my hair is like this, I don't comb it, I brush it, because if you comb it, you're most likely gonna rip your hair out because my hair is not detangled. So I'm gonna go in with this jam. Okay. And what I do is I take a really large clump of it, kind of just massage it out, and then I just go and I don't know how to explain it. I control how much I put. I just put it throughout my hair. Just take the gel. I use a lot because I'm washing my hair anyway. And then, what I'm gonna do is take a brush. I'm gonna wet it and we're gonna brush it. Again, I don't suggest combing your hair because your hair is knotted. Not knotted, but your hair is not detangled, so I wouldn't recommend taking a comb to this. Okay. Need a little bit more water. Just gonna go in on my edges one more time with a little bit more gel. We need them edges sleek and on fleek. All right. So now I'm gonna take I don't like this one because it's long. If you could get a shorter shoelace, get a shorter one. The shoelace, look how long the shoelace is. I have a blue one that I prefer. A little tricky. Because you want it to kind of smooth out your whole head. So just like that, I just crisscross it in the back. I pull tight. Of course I'm gonna loosen it, but I just need to pull tight to start it off so I can get a good grip on my hair. Push it up as I go, and then I'm just gonna lift it up and pull as I lift, and boom. We got ourselves a puff. Woo, that's tight. I gotta loosen that. Okay. That's tight. I don't really manipulate my hair into styles like this that often. So when I do, I instantly get a headache because I don't normally put my hair up or style it. That's another secret to my hair growth, you guys, is that I leave my hair alone. I don't style it that often. I only style it on days like this where it's a mess and I need something to do with it, but my head already hurts and it's not even that tight. And then I don't pin it. You can take a pin and pin it, but I just tuck the shoelace in after I wrap it. And then just take this, wrap it around. You do not see the shoelace, you guys. Depending on how much hair you have on your head, I could say, but you never see the shoelace because your hair just covers it. I'm just gonna tuck that in and I'm just gonna pull it with my hands, fluff it out. If you pull in the center, it'll help loosen it. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, now that part's done, you are gonna need pins for this part, and of course I have no pins. 2 pins. All right, so my plan was that actually wouldn't be bad if I could get this to curl, but it's not going to, so we're not gonna play ourselves here. So, I'm going to take some gel and go across the edges of my head like that. Right. And then across my head here. I'm not gonna comb this out. I kind of don't, because if I comb it, I have to wet it, and I don't want to wet it because I want it to have this like volume. I twisted this way, and we're gonna twist backwards. And I'm just gonna take it. Can I twist backwards like this? Let me see. I'm gonna twist this way. Oh, I can twist backwards. Okay, we got this. It's like you're just twisting your hair to your scalp. And we're going backwards instead of forward. And you're just like twisting like you normally would twist. And we're twisting. And we're twisting. Yeah, this is much better. I'm glad I changed it. Okay. I like this better. Let me back up. I'm like so close to the camera. Just gonna take it. I'm not gonna pull like this because then you're creating tension here. I'm literally just taking it and laying it to the side. Ooh, that wind. Jeez. And I'm taking my bigger pin and putting it to the back because my hair could cover it. Just pinning it. And then I'm taking my smaller pin and coming closer to the front and pinning like right here on the side. Like that, and boom. Okay. Now I'm gonna lay my wannabe baby hairs that I don't have. I create baby hairs because I don't have any. Using my favorite edge control ever. Y'all, this edge control is the best. The only thing though, it flakes. It will flake, but it's so good. Like, I don't even care. It's not a bad flaking either. It doesn't flake bad. At least not in my hair. My daughter's hair, it flakes bad. I don't know what it is with her hair, but when I do it in my hair, it doesn't flake that bad. But I love it so much, I don't even care. I just work with it. I just, you know. I got a little bit of baby hair. You see, I got a little bit, Got a little bit of baby hair there. And I just go like that. Okay, you know. Do it on this side. Y'all, I think when I went through my postpartum shedding, this part of my hair thinned out so much. I think this is where my hair was coming out at, and I could tell in other parts of my hair, because my hair, like, it's thick still, but it's not as thick as it, like, I don't know if I'm just, I definitely lost some hair here during my postpartum shedding. Hopefully it comes back. I'll be a little devastated if it doesn't come back, but it's okay. It's okay. We will survive. Hair is not everything. Hair is not everything. It does not identify who you are. You are beautiful because of what's inside you. And I'm just creating swoops in random parts of my head. So you kind of just do it to what you prefer with your hair. So I'm just creating random swoops in my hair. Actually came out cute. See, we always finesse the mess, y'all. We always finesse it because we're nice like that. I still have some left. Because we're nice like that, we stay finessing the mess. Add some more shine. The gel gave it a lot of shine, but to add some more shine, we're gonna add some sheen. I love this sheen. It smells so good. I don't know what they did to it. It's the same one, but they like changed the formula, which I'm not mad about, because it definitely has a different smell to it than it used to. It smells so good. I know I'm ODing, but I'm gonna be washing my hair, so I just want it to be nice and shiny, you know? See that? It looks good.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.